Are you trying to open settings in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC but it's not opening at all? Don't worry, this is a common problem and in this video, I'll show you an easy way to fix it step by step. Step 1. Reset the settings app using PowerShell. Open the Start menu, search for PowerShell, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you get a pop-up asking for permission, click Yes. Now type this command and press Enter. Next, just type this command and press Enter. A blank window will appear for a few seconds. Then the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Once that's done, restart your PC and check if the Settings app is opening now. If it still doesn't open, move on to the next step. Step 2. Run SFC and DISM scans. First, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now type this command and press Enter. It will take a few minutes and will fix system file problems automatically. Next, run these DISM commands one by one. After all these scans are done, restart your PC and check if settings is opening now. If not, there is one last fix you can try. Step 3. Create a new user account. First, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Enter and run these commands in order one by one. You'll see a new user account named User2. This means the new account is created successfully. Now, restart your computer and log in with the new User2 account. Your Settings app should work fine now. I hope this method helped you fix the settings not opening problem on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. If it solved your problem, let me know in the comments. Also, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful Windows tricks and tutorials.